Don't let them come in. Don't let them come in.
Hindi kami makapasok. Fuck, static. May
Kasi kayo nag-static.
lakad
Likod
na lang
lang
kami.
kayo. Oh,
Ano
likod
mo, abot pa kayo. Kanina pa sana kayo malis.
Level
Tatlo
6
kami.
now. They are level 6 now.
Enemy fucking level 6 man. We need the fear, boys. No fear man, no fear. Just stand them, just stand them. Colors here, colors back.
Deluxe,
Colors back.
deluxe.
I'm a color, They may shallow again. Ditang, sold, I need life curse,
They're looking, they're looking.
They're looking, let them come.
Dilokin na, dilokin.
Sold, sold. Come back a bit, Implementing dito, ditang. Defense, 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 defense. South, 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 south. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my clamp shot, on my clamp shot, big clamp shot, big clamp shot. Nice fucking damage, man. Nice fucking damage. Come back again, come back again. He's my friend line. He's my friend line. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh, spare here, spare here, spare here, spare here, spare here, spare here. Just establish them, 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 establish them. Callers dying, callers dying, callers dying, callers dying. Defense front, defense front, defense front, defense front. Don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die, don't die. Don't die, comes out now, comes out now. Sir, 5, sir, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my fucking clamp, 1. Big clamp shot, big clamp shot. That's it, oh, that's it. Damage on south, man. Where's my fucking damage, man? Where's my fucking damage? He's front line, Don't die, man. Holy shit.
Defensive, guys.
Ang ina, nasa likod na kayo, hindi kayo makapag-defensive, man. You're at the fucking back. No, still no defensive, bro. What happened to you? Mount up, man. We're winning already. You guys fucking stupid. You don't know how to pop defensive, man. You got fucking 3 defensive. Fucking stupid, bro. Come out.
Ganda na sana nun.
That's fucking bullshit, man. Those who fucking died there, man. You're at the fucking back. You have 3 defensives on you. You still died at the clamp. Bro. Tang ina. Defensive na lang. Hindi nyo pa mapop. Ay, nako. Panalo na tayo. Dun low na sila. Hindi na nga kayo